Prior to the World Tobacco Day 2023 and as part of the No Tobacco Awareness Program, the State Nodal Officer, National Tobacco Control Program of the National Health Mission Meghalaya, Dr. Lana E Lyngdoh, had enlightened through the media on the ill effects of tobacco and the anti-tobacco campaigns conducted through schools across the state of Meghalaya. Others who addressed the press conference included Associate Professor and HoD Department of Surgical Oncology, Neigrihms Hospital, Shillong, Dr. Caleb Harris, Associate Professor, Department of Community Medicine, Dr. Star Pala, DSP Ops East Khasi Hills, Ivan Dingdo, and Jennifer Sunrem of the Education Department, Government of Meghalaya.
This World Tobacco Day, there comes a theme, always a theme, isn't it, along with any celebration. So this year we have a global theme, okay, which is being created by the World Health Organization as, we need food, not tobacco. But after thought, we have found that this theme is not so much suitable for the state of Meghalaya. Since we have the youths who are already initiating tobacco, and the state of ours also, if we put it on record, we have so many things about the state of Meghalaya. Like what? We have the greenest rivers, we have so many good tourist spots, we have so many things which are good about the state of ours. So we have changed the theme in a very special, you can say a sub-theme which is very, very special of the state of ours, and that is, My Meghalaya. Tobacco-free Meghalaya. So when we say tobacco-free Meghalaya, it has to be free in every sense of the word. It has to be free from usage, environment has to be clean, tobacco-free, rivers have to be free, isn't it? Trees also, they have to be green, we have to have lots of forests, okay? Then we have to have a lot of land which is meant for plantation of crops, not plantation of tobacco, unlike other states where they plant a lot of tobacco. But but I would also like to say that there are certain districts in our state, like in West Khasi Hills, West Garo Hills, where they, they do some gardening and they plant tobacco crops also. That will have to be discouraged, and we are working very, very hard, towards that. So that is the main theme. And we would like to say, I would like to tell any one of us, whoever comes across me, I would like to tell that person, don't mess with my Meghalaya. Okay? And that message will go even to whom, to the tobacco industry people. Tobacco industry people, they like to target the children. They target a lot and they come up with so many fancy forms of cigarettes, fancy forms of tobacco, you can say, which will attract the youth. But I would like to say that all of us here, including you, including the society, including everyone, every citizen in the state of Meghalaya, to fight against this tobacco menace in the state, because our main aim and objective is to make Meghalaya a tobacco-free state.